everyone, my space about stop smoking in the campus area. First of all, let us thank you God because we can gather here today in God's help. My respected teachers and my dear friends, today I want to talk about smoking in the campus area. We all know that smoking is very dangerous not only for the smoker but also for the people around them. Cigarette smoke can cause serious diseases like lung cancer, heart problems, and breathing difficulties. Besides, this smoking makes our campus dirty and uncomfortable. Cigarette butts on the ground make the environment look bad. Our campus should be a clean and healthy place to study and grow. So let's work together to keep our campus smoke free. For those who smoke, please try to read us our stuff. And for those who don't even start. Remember, remember a healthy life starts from ourselves. Thank you for attention. Goodbye. Morning everyone. Today I will present my PowerPoint regarding the uses of model request word and the uses of model in request word. And my name is Elisa Smiranda Utajulu, and one file to picture this PowerPoint. The importances the importances of learning, the importances of learning modal verbs in English. Two main reasons why learning modal verbs important. Modal verbs are uses modal verbs. Wow. The importances of learning modal verbs in English. Two main reasons why learning modal verbs important. Modal verbs are uses as auxiliary verbs in sentences and paragraphs to explain what will be done and when it will happen. In other words, modal verbs help clarify the subject role and make the following. The following words I share to determine below are two main reasons why understanding modal verbs is important when learning English. And this is one, understanding the time or tenses as by the main subject. There are 10 types of modal verbs. It's as in different situations. The first key to learning them is paying attention to the time tenses as by the subject. Similar to be verbs, modals have a higher grammatical level and require more attention. For example, the modal will is asked to describe the present or future. The modal will is the past form of will and is asked very referring to past situations such as yesterday or a year ago. Therefore, the first important thing is to know the time reference as in the sentences. And so, understanding the functions of its modal verb. I'll hope modal verbs do not follow a specific formula as type has its own functions and specific. That's why the second key point is to understand the functions of every modal verb to use them correctly in sentences. Moreover, as modal verb has its own meaning and is well as in speaking, listening, and reading, so mastering them completely is essential. Definition of modal verbs. Modal verbs is auxiliary that must be as with main verbs or ordinary verbs. They express possibility, necessity, and feasibility, permission, and more. And next, this is formula of modal verbs. This one positive sentence. Subject plus modal verb plus verb 1. Example, I can swim. And 2, negative sentence. This is one subject plus modal verb plus not and plus verb 1. Example, she can dance. 3, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. And this is one interrogative sentence. This is modal verb plus subject plus verb 1. Example, this is interrogative sentence. Can you help me? This is one interrogative sentence. And next, functions and example of its modal verb. This is one will, meaning will present model means will or be going to. A, expressing willingness or intention, I will join the even if my mother allows me. And translate Indonesian, saya akan mengikuti acara tersebut jika ibu saya mengizinkan. B, making predictions. The president will come to our city next week. Presiden akan datang ke kota kami minggu depan. C, making requests. Will you have lunch with me? Will you have lunch with me? This is making request. Maukah kamu makan siang bersama saya? And to will, meaning past form of will often as informal or hypothetical situations. A, expressing willingness. If you hand invite me, I will have come last night. Example, if you hand invite me, I will have come last night. Jika kamu mengundang saya akan datang tadi malam. B, making predictions. I believe that our team will become the winner. Saya percaya bahwa tim kita akan menjadi juara. C, making requests. Example, would you help me with my assessment? Maukah kamu membantu saya mengerjakan tugas? And next, 3, can. Meaning can means able to or can present model. A, expressing ability. I can show you the magic. Saya bisa menunjukkan sulap kepadamu. B, asking for permission. Can I go home now? Bisakah saya pulang sekarang? C, expressing possibility. Example for expressing possibility, it can be fun if he is here right now. Akan menyenangkan jika dia ada di sini sekarang. For call, meaning past form of can, as for polite or formal situations. A, expressing ability in the past. When I was, example to A, expressing ability in the past. When I was in high school, I could study all night. Saya saat SMA, saya bisa belajar sepanjang malam. Itu bahasa Indonesia dari A, expressing ability in the past. B, asking for permissions. Example to asking for permissions. Call I sit here. The other seats are full. Bisakah saya duduk di sini? Kursi lainnya penuh. Itu contoh dari B, asking for permissions. C, expressing possibility. Example, expressing possibility. This is it called be very hard if you don't help me. Bahasa Indonesianya akan sulit jika kamu tidak membantu saya. Itu adalah contoh dari expressing possibility. Five, may. Meaning may means might or perhaps as to express permissions or possibility. A, expressing possibility. Sunny may come after finishing her work. Bahasa Indonesia dari A, expressing possibility. Sunny mungkin akan datang setelah menyelesaikan pekerjaannya. B, asking for permissions. May I visit my grandma this week? This is example for B. Bolehkah saya mengunjungi nenek minggu ini? And C, giving advice. You may not eat lobster if you are allergic to seafood. Kamu tidak boleh makan lobster jika alergi makanan laut. And 6 might, meaning past form of may expresses less certainty or politeness. Example for A, B, C. A expressing possibility. Example expressing possibility. Kim Seon-ho might go to Bali next year. Kim Seon-ho mungkin pergi ke Bali tahun depan. And B, making offers. Example making offers. Make I offer you some help? Bolehkah saya menawarkan bantuan? And C, referring to unreal past situations. Father might have asked Tony to join the competitions. Ayah mungkin sudah meminta Tony ikut kompetisi. Itu adalah kalimat dari hasil contoh C, referring to unreal past situations. D, asking for permission. If Adele has a concert in Indonesia, might I go? Jika Adele konser di Indonesia, bolehkah saya pergi? And 7, must, meaning must means have to or should express strong obligations. Example must, A, B, C. This is one A, expressing obligations. You must meet your teacher now. Kamu harus menemui gurumu sekarang. B, expressing prohibition. Sinta is still sick. She must not go to school today. Sinta masih sakit. Dia tidak boleh pergi ke sekolah. And C, expressing certainty. He must be tired after working all day. Dia pasti lelah setelah bekerja seharian. And next, and 8, ought to, meaning similar to should, express moral duty or recommendations. This is example A, B, C. This is A, expressing obligations. We ought to eat now before we perform. Kita harus makan sekarang sebelum tampil. And B, giving advice. You ought to ask sunscreen to protect your skin. Kamu harus menggunakan sunscreen untuk melindungi kulit kamu. And 9, shall, meaning formal modal verb as with or we to express intention or fear. Example, this is 1B 2A. B2A? No. This is example A, expressing obligations. We shall give the management report to the finance manager next week. Translate Indonesian, kita akan menyerahkan laporan manajemen minggu depan. This is B, making suggestions. Shall we tell her about the incident? Haruskah kita memberitahu HR tentang insiden itu? And 10, should, meaning past form or shall, as to give advice or express expectations. This is example to 10, should. This is 1A, giving advice. Dinda should change her Instagram password because it is hacked. Dinda seharusnya mengganti kata sandi Instagramnya karena diretas. And this is rules for using modal verbs. This is rules regardless of modal in request word. Rules for using modal verbs. This is one modal verbs never change from. No. I'm sorry. Rules for using modal verbs. This is one modal verbs never change from. No, is, ate, or in. Regardless of the subject or tense. Two modal verbs are always followed by verb 1. Best from. Three models cannot be as imperfect tenses, expect real world shall and soul. Four models cannot be combined with other auxiliary verbs expect, be, and have. 5. You cannot ask more than the model in a sentence. And 6. Models are not followed or preceded by to expect in O2. So that's all I can convey. Sorry, it's fake, not perfect. And goodbye.